Hello everyone, I'm Shamir. I hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Welcome back to the another video with another two great devices from Huawei. This time I'm going to show you my two personal devices that I was waiting to receive for some time now. Here I got with me Y9A that comes with an incredible ultra full view display, 64 all scenario quad camera and 4200 mAh battery with 40 watt supercharge. And on the other hand, I got all new watch fit truly charge my perspective on smartwatches. The Y9A offers you an immersive viewing experience unlike the other brands, and that's due to the ultra full view display that comes incredible high screen to body ratio of 92.02%. Let's take a look at the back. From the back side, you get this stunning halo ring design that was first introduced on Huawei flagship models. What makes it even more beautiful, the three colors that you get choose from: space silver, sakura pink, midnight black. On the back you get a 64 megapixel all scenario quad camera. Now you can capture super clarity shooting for sweeping landscapes, distant landmarks and close-up scenes. Even at night you can capture blur-free focused handle photo in low light situations. And let's not forget about the pop-up selfie camera. AI Beauty brings you customized beauty effects according to the gender and age scheme. Always Huawei provide the best battery solution in all their smartphones. The Y9A comes with a huge battery, 4200, and can charge 0 to 67 in 30 minutes. And you can get 7 hours of phone calls after 5 minutes of charging. Y9A also comes with a Huawei title search where you can search, download, install, update your favorite apps by just a click of your finger. With all that, I do not see any why you still did not call the pre-book your Y9A. Now let's take a look at the watch fit and what is the buzz all about. There are so many reasons that make the watch fit favorite smartwatch available in currently. Let's start with everyone concerned when it comes to buying a smartwatch with which is the battery. The battery that can last 10 days on normal usage. Now truly do not have to worry about charging it unlike the other more expensive smartwatches in the market that have charged every 2 days. The look and design of the watch is usually a second concern you probably have. Well, the watch fit comes with an incredible 1.64 display with the auto brightness that makes so much easier to read notification message even under sunlight. And the best part is the option to customize the watch face through the health app to suit your mood. Now let me tell you why this watch is my favorite. The watch can provide 12 kind of animated cube workout and include 44 standard movement demonstration. It will also include a total of 96 workout modes to choose from. So no more of wasting time on searching online on how to do a specific exercise. I got my personal guide with me wherever I go. Watch Fit also provide me 24 hours tracking of heart rate, stress monitor, sleep tracking and oxygen saturation level with accuracy, which makes it so much easier to track my performance for better and brighter lifestyle. And all the data can be viewed in detail through the Huawei Health app on my Y9A. So hurry up and head to the local stores to get your very own Y9A and watch fit. Thank you.